Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 7th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar CAD. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So anyways, the US dollar CAD is drifting up pretty good, but definitely no break of structure to the upside in my eyes. And we have to admit, if we go up to the daily time frame and above, that we are definitely in a downtrend. There's really nothing stopping this thing from going down and down and down and down and eventually taking out this low right here. So the trend is our friend, and we should primarily be on the short side, at least until we get some sort of a break to the upside, which we definitely don't have yet. So that means on these sort of time frames, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last move down. By the way, today is FOMC interest rate news, very big news event, which I will be live streaming on YouTube for. So make sure you stop in and watch my live stream for the latest updates on your favorite pairs. But anyways, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move down right here. If it takes out this high, then that would turn me into a buyer. If it doesn't take out that high, but instead ends up respecting one of these fib levels and, making a big engulfing turn to the downside, then I definitely would take it as a short because the trend is 100% down. The trend is your friend. Higher time frame trends are down. Shorter time frames, I'm looking for shorts unless I get a break of structure to the upside. If I do get a break of structure to the upside, then after the break of structure, I would start looking for longs at the end of three-wave pullbacks, but only after a break of structure and only after the pullback that would come after the break of structure. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.